Okay, so the topic of this week's lessons is SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. In this short video, what I'm going to do is show you how to install the SQLite Manager through Mozilla Firefox. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you've got an updated version of Firefox installed on your computer. SQLite Manager uses the SQLite database engine, which we have installed at the beginning of the semester. Everything we learn about using SQL through SQLite is applicable to pretty much every different kind of database packages. There's some details that differ in terms of the detailed data types, how they're described, but SQL in general is agnostic to some of those differences, so you don't need to worry about those fine details. Everything you learn from using SQL here is going to apply whether you're using Microsoft Access, FileMaker on a Mac, or MySQL, PostgreSQL. All of those different kinds of things are going to work. What we're going to do is go to the menu, which is these three bars up here on the side, go to Add-ons, and then just type SQLite really, Manager, and enter for search. And there it is right at the top, SQLite Manager, and we're going to install it. Then you have to restart it, Firefox, that is, and pretty much looks exactly the same as it did before. Now what we're going to do is go in here, click on the thing. Oh, mine's already appeared there, down in the corner here. If it's not popping up there automatically, go to Customize, and let me just try removing this. Ah, there we go, I see. Yeah, so what you'll see is additional tools and features. Here's all the features. SQLite Manager. It's going to be right there. Just going to grab it and drag it into one of these spots over there. And then exit Customize. Okay, and from there, you're pretty much ready to use SQLite Manager. Just click on here and click on the Manager. It pops up a window, and we're going to see how to import data into the database and then do some queries in the next few videos.